I just love my little birdies. You see them all hopping around down there. They are fighting over the feeder. Probably need some more seed in there. But they have figured out the new bird feeder, and they won't let any of them stay on there for too long. Need to get out there and put some more seed in there. They do eat it up quickly. Yeah, they're all over that now. And they are just fighting. No, they're kicking each other off. And of course, as they're doing that, they're knocking seed down to the ground, so these guys get to have some too. There's the pigeons. They're saying this works for us. Keep knocking it down. But whoever suggested our moving the bird feeder was actually the best idea, because the birds just love having that bush right there that they can fly into. I mean, we really should have put it over there a long time ago. But I just liked it near the window where I could see them better. But, you know, the birds are much happier with it over there. So they're having a blast out there today. They're in there. Yeah. They like it. Yep. Where's my feet to go? Way to go. Where am I? Oh, I'm over too far. There we go. Mm-hmm.